Notepad. What do you do if you want to write someone's phone number and address quickly? Right. You write it on a piece of paper or on a notepad. Similarly, we can write name, phone number, any textual details and information on Notepad. Notepad is another important accessory in computer. Notepad is a text editing program. You can view and edit text files using Notepad. Before we start using Notepad, let's run or start Notepad and know its window. To run Notepad, click on the Start button. Point the mouse to All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click Notepad. The Notepad window appears. Alternatively, you can type Notepad in the Search Programs and Files text box in the Start menu. Look at the Notepad window. It has a blank space where you can write, edit, and view text. Now, look at this strip. This is Menu Bar. The menu bar contains various menu items. These are File, Edit, Format, View, Help. The File menu provides various options. These are New, Open, Save, Save As, Page Setup, Print, and Exit. The Edit menu helps you edit text. It provides various options. These are Undo, Cut, Copy, Paste, Delete, Find, Find Next, Replace, Go To, Select All, Time, and Date. The Format menu helps you format all the text in the document. It has two options. These are Word Wrap, Font. The View menu helps you view the status bar at the bottom of the Notepad window. The Help menu provides two options, View Help and About Notepad. Using the View Help, you can get any help if you need while working with Notepad. Let's start with using Notepad. You can create your instant note using Notepad. Let's see how to create a new text file. Copy a text, paste the copied text, insert current date and time, change the font to Arial with size 36 and style bold, and save this text file as Chetna's Notes. To create a new text file, open the Notepad window. By default, a new text file is displayed. Write text, Chetna is a nice girl. Select the text you want to copy. Select entire sentence here. Click on the Edit menu and select Copy. The text or sentence is copied. Put the cursor at the place where you want to paste the copied text. Click on the Edit menu and select Paste. Copied text is pasted at the desired place. Now, insert current date and time. To insert current date and time, click on the Edit menu and select Time Date. Now, apply the desired font. To set the font, click on the Format menu and select Font. The Font dialog box appears. Select Arial from the Font combo box. Bold from the Font Style combo box. And 36 from the size combo box. Click OK to save changes and close the font dialog box. Now, save this file as Chetna's notes. To save, click on the File menu and select Save. Save As dialog box appears. Select the desired location and folder and write Chetna's notes in the file name combo box. Click Save to save the file as Chetna's notes. The text file is saved in the desired folder. To summarize, let's see the steps to create, edit, and save a text file using Notepad. Step 1. Open the Notepad window. Step 2. Write text, Chetna is a nice girl. Step 3. Select the text you want to copy. Step 4. Click on the Edit menu and select Copy. Step 5. Put the cursor at the place where you want to paste the copied text. Step 6. Click on the Edit menu and select Paste. Step 7. Click on the Edit menu and select Time, Date. Step 8. Click on the Format menu and select Font. Step 9. Select the desired font type, style, and size in the font dialog box. Step 10. Click OK to save changes and close the font dialog box. Step 11. Click on the File menu and select Save. Step 12. Select the desired location and folder and write the file name in the File Name combo box. Step 13. Click Save to save the file.